Hi, I'm Liz Thomas.
And I'm Pete Van Morsel. We're staff with JLARC. The legislature directed JLARC to review each of the state's more than 700 tax preferences every 10 years. Work is scheduled and prioritized by a citizen commission, a 5-member commission with expertise in tax policy appointed by each of the 4 caucuses and the governor's office. The commission directs staff to review some tax preferences in depth, and these full reviews are available at this link. But in addition to these in-depth full reviews, each year JLARC staff also prepare a report of expedited tax preference reviews. The 2022 Expedited Tax Preference Review Report comprises those preferences on the 2022 review schedule for which JLARC staff did not perform a full review. Preferences may not be subject to full review for several reasons. JLARC may have already reviewed the preference, the legislature may exempt a preference from review, the Commission may deprioritize a preference it determined to serve a purpose critical to the tax structure, such as defining the tax base or avoiding double taxation, and, due to resource limitations, the JLARC staff are simply unable to do a full review on every preference. In prior years, this report was a PDF document with 1 entry per preference on that year's expedited review schedule.
This year, we're presenting the report as an interactive table to make the information more accessible by allowing the reader to search and sort the information in the report. The report contains much of the same data as in prior years, including DOR exemption study and previous JLARC review information when applicable, and additional characteristics of each preference. You can view the details of the report by clicking this button here on the summary page. This table has the preference name and link to the DOR review, a link to a prior JLARC review if there was one, the legislative action, RCW, savings amount, and lastly, if the Citizen Commission determined if the preference was critical to the tax structure. Clicking on the column headers of the table will sort the table by that column. On the right side, you'll see a search box to find a preference by name or RCW, a filter to view specific tax types, a filter to view only preferences reviewed by JLARC, a clear filters button to return to the default view, which is preferences listed alphabetically, and lastly, there's a return to summary page button at the top right corner. Be sure to view the 2022 Expedited Tax Preference Report on our website.